Hello children, welcome to the Learning Through Videos sessions. Today let us learn about place value. Place value is the value of each digit in a number. So that means place value is nothing but value of each digit in a given number. You will understand this statement more clearly when we take an example. Place value of a digit depends on where it is in a number. So place value of a digit depends on the position of a digit in a number. ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಡಿಜಿಟು ಕೂಡ ಯಾವ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ಲಿದೆಯೋ ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಆ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ನ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 are the digits. These are very much familiar for us. We learned all these in our previous classes. Numbers are formed by using these digits. So other numbers are formed using these digits. The number 24 is formed using the two digits 2 and 4. So here we have an example. The number 24 is formed using the two digits 2 and 4. Now let us understand how to find place value of the digits in a number. Example number 1. Consider the number 24. To understand how to find the place value of the digits in a number, we consider the number 24. 24 is a two-digit number formed by the digits 2 and 4. Now let us represent the number 24 on an abacus. For this we need two rods of an abacus since we have a two-digit number. So on this abacus, this rod which is towards our right is at ones. This is called ones place rod, and the rod towards our left is tens rod or tens place rod. Now let us understand how we are going to use this abacus to find place values of the digits in the number 24. Here we see that there are 4 beads on ones place rod. On ones place rod we have 4 beads, and we have 2 beads on tens place rod. Value of each bead on one's rod is equal to 1. ಅಂದರೆ one's rod ಮೇಲಿರುವ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಮಣಿಯ ಬೆಲೆ ಕೂಡ 1 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So value of each bead on one's rod is equal to 1. So value of this bead is 1, value of this is also 1, value of this is also 1, value of this bead also 1. So now what is the total value of all the 4 beads together? Yes, the total value of all beads together is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 4. So the total value of all the 4 beads together on one's rod is equal to 4, and therefore the place value of 4 in 24 is 4. Therefore, in the number 24, the place value of the digit 4 is 4. Now let us see what is the place value of 2 in the number 24. The value of each bead on the tens rod is equal to 10. Value of this bead is equal to 10, and value of this bead is also equal to 10. So therefore the total value of these two beads together on the tens rod is equal to, which is given by 10 plus 10 is equal to 20, and therefore the place value of 2 in 24 is 20. So this is how we can find the place value of the digits of a given number. So 24 is a 2-digit number, and representing this number on an abacus, we learned how to find place values of these 2 digits. So in this number, place value of 4 is 4 and place value of 2 is 20. I hope you understood. Anyhow, we are going to take some more example. So if you have any doubt, you can get your doubts cleared in those example. Now let us move to example number 2. Example 2. Consider the number 42. 42 is a 2-digit number formed by the digits 4 and 2. Now let us represent these on an abacus. So we make use of the 2 rods on the abacus, and the rod towards our right is called ones place rod, and the rod towards our left is called tens place rod. Here we see 2 beads on ones place rod, or we consider 2 beads because we have the digit 2 here. There are 2 beads on ones place rod, and we consider 4 beads on tens place rod to represent the digit 4. And the value of each bead on one's rod is equal to 1. Therefore, the total value of these 2 beads together is given by 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Hence, the place value of 2 in 42 is 2. ಅಂದರೆ 42 ಅನ್ನೋ ನಂಬರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಅನ್ನೋ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಇದರ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? 2 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆನ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಡಿಜಿಟು, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೆನ್ಸ್ the place value of the digit at one's place is equal to the digit itself. Now let us see the place value of the other digit. So the value of each bead on tens place rod. Tens place rod ಮೇಲಿರುವ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಮಣಿಯ ಬೆಲೆ ಕೂಡ 10 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Therefore, the total value of all the 4 beads taken together is given by 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, since we have 4 beads here. Therefore, sum of these gives us 40. Hence, the place value of 4 in the number 42 is 40. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ 42 ಅನ್ನೋ ನಂಬರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಅನ್ನೋ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಇದರ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 40 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. It is at tens place. Observe here. 4 here is at tens place. Therefore, its place value is 40. And 2 is in ones place. Its place value is 2 itself. So while finding place value of a number, please remember that the place value of any digit at one's place is equal to the digit itself. ಅಂದರೆ one's place ಅಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಡಿಜಿಟಿನ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಆ ಡಿಜಿಟೇ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Now let us compare these two examples. Place value of digits in the number 24 and place value of the digits in the number 42. So these are the examples we considered now. Now let us have a comparison between these two. So here the place value of 2 in 24 is 20. We found the place value of 2 in the number 24. Here its place value is 20. In this example, place value of 2 in 42 is 2. So that means the place value of a digit depends on its position. See here, 2 in this number, in the first number, is at tens place. In the number 42, 2 is at ones place. So based on the position, the value of 2 is changing here. The value of 2 ಏನಿದೆ, depending on its position, its place value changes. It will not be same in all numbers. Value of 2, place value of 2 in all numbers will not be same. It depends on where the digit 2 is. ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. And also place value of 4 in 24 is 4. See here, in the number 24, place value of 4 is 4 itself because it is at one's place. Coming to the other side, place value of 4 in 42 is 40. In this example, place value of 4 is 40. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ place value of 4 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ place value of 4 40 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ the digit 4 is at tens place. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದರ place value 40 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 is at ones place. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದರ place value ಕೂಡ 4 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So you need to understand this fact clearly. ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತು ನಾವು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಇದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಮರೀದೆ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Now let us move on to exercise number 1B, which is based on place values that we have learned just now. Question number 1 here is, write the numbers represented on the abacus. So here we have 4 sub questions A, B, C and D. In each of these we are given a picture of an abacus with different number of beads, and we have to look into these abacus and we have to write the number represented by this abacus in the box provided just below the abacus. Let us do it one by one. First let us take A. Here on this abacus we have 2 rods, 1's place rod and 10's place rod. So on 1's place rod we have how many beads? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So therefore the digit at 1's place will be 5. Remember that. And how many beads are there on 10's place rod? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 beads. So the digit at 10's place will be 4. So 4 at 10's place and 5 at 1's place. Which is that number? Yes, the number to be written in this box is 45. And let us move to the B. Again we have 2 rods here, 1's place rod and 10's place rod. There is 1 bead on 10's place rod. And how many beads on 1's place rod? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Therefore the number to be written here is, yes, 17. 17 should be written in this box. Move on to C. Again 2 rods, 1's place rod and 10's place rod. We have 3 beads on 10's place rod and 3 plus 3 beads, 6 beads on 1's place rod. Therefore the number to be written here is 36. So write 36 in this box. Coming to D. 2 rods, 1's place rod and 10's place rod are given here. And how many beads are there on 10's place rod here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 beads on 10's place rod and we see 2 beads on 1's place rod. Therefore the number represented by this abacus is 92. It is 92. So this is how we can write the numbers represented by these abacus. So this abacus represents the number 45 and this represents the number 17. This represents the number 36 and these beads on this abacus represent the number 92. Let us move to the next question. Question number 2. Draw the beads on the abacus to represent the given numbers. In this question, the numbers are given and we need to draw the beads on these rods to represent the given numbers. Let us do one by one. Here we have 2. Therefore, there should be 2 beads on 10's rod here. So we have to draw the beads. 1, 2. Yes, after drawing 2 beads here, we will draw 3 beads on 1's place rod. 1, 2, 3. So now this abacus represents the number 23. 2 is at 10's place, so we have drawn 2 beads on 10's place rod. 3 is at 1's place, so we have drawn 3 beads on 1's place rod, and hence these set of beads on this abacus represent the number 23. Now let us move to the next question, B. The number given is 67. That means we have to draw 6 beads on tens place rod and 7 beads on ones place rod to represent the number 67. Let us do that now. Let us draw the 6 beads on tens place rod. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have drawn 6 beads on tens place rod. Now let us draw 7 beads on ones place rod. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now this represents the number 67. It is so easy, isn't it? Yes, just looking at the numbers given, and we have to draw these many number of beads on these corresponding rods. So we have to draw 8 beads on tens place rod here and 5 beads on ones place rod to represent the number 85. Let us do that now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have drawn 8 beads on tens place rod. Now let us draw 5 beads on ones place rod. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this represents the number 85. Now let us move to D. Here the number is 30. So how many beads we should draw on tens place rod? Yes, we have to draw 3 beads. How many beads on ones place rod? Yes, we should not draw any bead on the ones place rod because the digit here is 0, which represents nothing. Therefore, we have to draw 3 beads on tens place rod. 1, 2, 3. And no beads on ones place rod. This represents the number 30. Now move to question number 3. Write the numbers. So we have to write the numbers in this box reading these statements. So in the A we have 2 tens and 6 ones. So 2 tens and 6 ones makes the number 26. That means 2 is at tens place and 6 is at ones place. So 2 tens and 6 ones together makes the number 26. So write the number 26 in this box. 9 tens and 4 ones makes the number 94. 1 10 and 5 ones. The resulting number will be 15. 7 tens and 1 1. The number is 71. Write the number 71 in this box. 4. Fill in the boxes. So here the numbers are given and we need to write how many tens and how many ones this number has. The number 52 is equal to dash tens and dash ones. So how many tens will be there in the number 52? Yes, since there is 5 on tens place, there will be 5 tens. And since there is 2 on ones place, there will be 2 ones. So we have to write 5 tens and 2 ones. And in the number 30, there will be 3 tens and 0 ones. In the number 68, there will be 6 tens and 8 ones. And in the number 44, 4 tens and 4 ones. So this is how we can write the number of tens and ones in the given numbers. I hope you understood all these that we have discussed. So all these questions were based on the place values. So please understand those two examples we considered for finding place values, and thereafter you can easily write the answers for all these questions in the exercise. Question number 5 is write the place value of the underlined digits. So we have to write the place value of this underlined digit. So here 4 is underlined in the number 43. The place value of 4 is 40 since it is at tens place. And B, 75 is the number, 5 is underlined and 5 is in ones place. Therefore, the place value of 5 here is 5 itself. Remember, the place value of any digit at ones place is equal to the digit itself. Therefore, the place value of 5 here is 5 itself. Place value of 0 here is in the number 50, 0. And the place value of 1 in the number 91 is 1. The reason is it is at ones place. And again in this example, in this question we have the digit at the ones place is underlined. The place value of this digit is equal to the digit itself, that is 6. The place value of 6 in 26 is 6 itself. Coming to this question here, look at these two numbers 26 and 62. The digits are interchanged. These numbers are formed by interchanging the digits. So here the 6 is at tens place. Therefore, the place value of 6 here becomes 60. The reason is this is at tens place. Coming to G, the number is 14. 1 is underlined. Its place value is 10 because it is at tens place. In H, the number is 80. 8 is underlined and 8 is at tens place. Therefore, its place value is 80. So, like this, we have to find and write the place values of underlined digit in a given number. Hope you understood the things we have discussed today. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye children.